Hi, this is Hala, Diet Supplements. Do you really need supplements every single day? What are supplements? They can be vitamins, minerals, herbs, botanicals, grains, roots, berries, amino acids. They come in all shapes and forms. Supplements are indeed useful, especially if you have specific deficiencies. For example, iron for those who suffer from anemia, or vitamin C during the flu season to boost your immune system. It makes sense, it works. If you live in a dark country like the UK here, you might need vitamin D. And if your lifestyle doesn't allow you to get proper meals, then yes, take supplements. But do they deserve a spot in your daily routine? It depends. If you have aches, if your hair is falling, if you really struggle with low energy or poor stamina, it might be a good idea to be consistent with your supplements until you achieve reasonable, sustainable goals. Having said that, do not get complacent and rely on them daily. Supplements aren't magic. They are meant to supplement your diet. I have my own supplement brand. We'll put the products on the screen. We'll have them on the description. But I also eat organic, wholesome vegetables and proteins every single day. So if you're taking supplements for maintenance, and I do recommend that, but you do not have any concerns, you don't need to take them every single day. Go on and off as needed. I used to assess every single morning what I ate the previous day. Some days I'd have a lovely variety of proteins and vegetables, and I'd feel I didn't need anything extra. Taking supplements on those days would just mean they would go down the loo. On other days, I'd be traveling, hopping from a location to another, and the only proper thing I could find at train stations was nuts and water. On those days, I would take my vitamins. Only after I was diagnosed with osteoarthritis and injured my Achilles tendon playing tennis did I start taking glucosamine and turmeric supplements more seriously. Even then, I might take 2 capsules only instead of the recommended 3. Now, a word of caution about supplements. Supplements can be a nutritional safety net, but they can also give you a false sense of security that you're all good. No, love, you're not all good just because you take supplements. One thing supplements can never provide is the high quality fiber you get from vegetables. Yes, there are fiber supplements these days on the market, but they are nowhere near the quality of the real thing. Please remember, supplements must be an addition to your food, not a replacement. So my final thoughts are, yes, take your vitamins, but only when you need them. You be the judge, you have the agency. Now, if you'd like to share with me how you manage your supplements, drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Or if you have any questions about supplements, let me know. I answer all questions myself. Thank you.